we've just made the 6.5-hour drive from Tuxtla La Gutierrez to Huatulco in the state of Oaxaca.
Welcome.
Alrighty guys, today was more of a travel day. We're just gonna look around here and probably hit the hay.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, you made it alright. So this time I made a space for you. Men who can't fall don't touch the earth.
Perfect.
Fear for the ones who can't hurt. Jade for a girl who treats me right. 'Cause she never hurt me for the things that I feel.
Well, good morning friends. We're on our one full day in Huatulco. I wish we had another day, but our first stop is at the Lighthouse by the Playa Entrega Beach. But look at that view.
Waits with fire inside his eyes and not his heart. Oh, she is the sun and so much more. I was lost inside without open doors. Men who can't fall don't touch the earth. Fear for the ones who can't hurt. Jade for a girl who treats me right. 'Cause she never hurt me for the things that I feel. Men that dreamt you up don't know the things they really love. I know they feel, I know what's real. Men that dreamt you up don't know the things they really love. I know for sure you are the cure.
Well, it's only 10 a.m. here and it's already like 32 or 33 degrees. So definitely recommend hydration, sunscreen, hats, all the good stuff, because you don't want to feel terrible when you're viewing this.
Bienvenidos a Playa La Entrega.
our room in Huatulco. We're at the Hotel Donna Mary, $40 a night for 2 nights. Basic room, it's all we need.
King size bed, fan, table chair, AC, CRT TV, and basic bathroom.
Thanks, folks. Now let's go back to the beach.
What do you think, Jessica?
Beautiful. Welcome to Playa Santa Cruz.